Hi, my name's Josh Varna, and today I'm gonna be making the Siesta cocktail on Mienta. It's made by Katie Stipe back in the Flatiron Lounge, all the way back in the long ago, 2006. So how you make the Siesta? It's 45 mils of Blanco tequila, which we've chosen to use Mienta, 100% sustainable tequila. It's 10 mils of a red bitter, which we've chosen to use Select, which is a Venetian style red bitter. Then you have fresh grapefruit, fresh lime, and a little bit of sugar, and shake and bake. A riff on, I guess, a margarita and a Hemingway Daiquiri slightly coming together. You're taking out the maraschino and replacing it with the red bitter. You're taking out the rum and replacing it with the tequila. Obviously grapefruit and lime stay the same. So think about a Hemingway Daiquiri, margarita having a baby, uncle from Italy holding the camera on the side. It works beautifully. So Mienta is a brand new tequila that's hit the market. It comes in a reposado and it comes in a plata or silver. It is the first fully sustainable tequila that's come to market. It has a B Corp score of 200, which means they're putting the planet, the product, and the people that work for them all on the same level. They use 100% blue agave. The difference between that versus some other tequilas would be the fact they harvest their blue agave quite late in its life cycle. They also create a yeast that they use from the pollen that falls from the quiote, or the flower that blooms out of the agave, which is pretty fantastic. It's 100% recycled glass. You've got the label that's made out of agave fibers. It's a lot going on, but it's an absolute beautiful product. It's made by people that really care about tequila. Tequila did have a bit of a dark patch for a while, which is wonderfully starting to change. And these guys are really at the forefront of that. Select is straight from Venice. It is the product that birthed the Venetian Spritz. It's that classic spritzy style Italian cocktail that we know all too well. It's a little bit sweeter than some other red bitters that are on the market, but it still carries that bitterness, that flavor notes, those herbaceous flavors that we know and love with Italian products. And for this, it really bonds really well to the agave flavors that we get in Mienta, that nice green vegetable flavor. And then along with the citrus note elements that we know and love to pair with Italian flavors, it just blooms this beautiful cocktail, pretty in pink. Putz!